हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम निकल पड़े हैं एक और एडवेंचर पे और मेरे साथ है मेरे गाइड भाई बासित भाई।
Hey everyone, it's absolutely pouring out here in Bangus Valley, but check out this amazing bonfire.
The weather can change quickly here.
Hey everyone, just chilling here in beautiful Bangus Valley with my guide, enjoying some hot tea and freshly fried fish by the fire. Pure bliss.
Thanks for watching, everyone. It was a great day exploring Bangus Valley. Until next time.